comment out the before action authorized, or I can't actually create anything. And I try to work around it. I couldn't figure out, and that's for all things, items, lists, and users.
Sure.
So I couldn't actually make this work if I didn't do that. So it seems like a permission issue.
Yeah, and then now what about the authenticated method? Do you have an authenticating method in the API?
Yeah.
You do, okay.
Private, as it asked, and I basically followed it word for word. The only thing I did here is I put name because, again, I'm using name instead of username.
Sure. Okay, so can you uncomment it and try it out? I just want to see the error that's produced.
Sure. Okay, let's do it again. And let me go to my list here. Let's just create a user. Girl. Now let's see here. Now let me back up. This would actually still be name password. I don't have to use username, so I can still do name.
Yeah.
Because it's mine. And again, I don't have to actually put a hard name and password. It can actually still be name and password, correct? Because that's actually what's in my table. I don't need to actually put Josh, whatever my password is, correct?
Oh,
I did that and I ran into problems. I'll show you.
I think you actually do.
Well, I think you're probably right because it says up here, this thing makes me a little, as a user, I want to create new users. I thought that was interesting.
Yeah.
So should users be able to create new ones? But yeah, I'll go ahead and do that though.
Well, it depends on who the user is, right? So if the user is like some website, because like your average user is not going to use command line.
That's true. Absolutely true. That's a good point. All right, so I'll go back and I'll change this around. I deleted a bunch of users, so I'll try to use what I had here. And
It's a little, unspecific, I guess.
Yeah, it wasn't 100% clear, but I'm just kind of going through the motions. Name. Now this still stays name, I assume, because I'm setting a name. I'm saving it to Josh. I'm gonna make myself here. Okay, and then I'll do B because I want to make a user password. Oh, and then I'll go into here and user. And I'll set that equal to test. Sure, this is all they wants. Yeah, okay, and I'll put HTTP. Just gonna copy that out. Let's see, I don't think I need to worry about it, but I'll do it anyway. Okay, so hit enter there. Okay, so it makes it there.
Okay, so it works.
It works, but it wasn't working yesterday.
When you were entering your username and password?
Yeah, I did.
Do you want to like type in history? Maybe we can dig it up.
Yeah. Can I do that? Do I need to be in the console to do that?
You can just do it. No, you can just do it right here. Okay. Maybe you can take a look, try find. You can also grep it just to filter out stuff. But I'm sure you can scroll up and find it too.
Yeah, okay, we'll go back up here. And I mean, I've worked on it all day yesterday. Let's see here. Yeah. So here's my first user. Yeah, okay, there's who I was, Josh Test. That's who I was. And I said, hey, create the user. The name is going to be Dan. User password is going to be Archer. I did something different, localhost user API. And that did not work.
Okay, so why don't you copy that one? Or you can do, so you can do exclamation point 498, and it will, you don't even have to copy it. It'll just.
Oh, exclamation point?
498. Because that was the line number, right?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. I ran into this quite a bit.
Okay, so Josh Test, is that a user?
Well, it was a user. Now, I've been deleting it as of recent. This morning, I started playing around just deleting all the users. But yeah, I created that user.
I thought you want to switch out the username and password then to one that might work?
Yeah, so I can go back to what I just created, Sterling and Archer, right? Just see if that works.
Yeah, or I think you used Sterling and Archer to create something else, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I created a
address that Fiona has. Does Sierra have that?
Yeah, they picked it up at almost.
Okay, so just one thing you have to make sure.
Yeah.
You might have. Don't leave without some little pantaloons for her to go.
Pantaloons.
She can't have just a diaper.
Got it. I'll work on that. Okay. All right. So yeah, what did I just make? Did I make? Got it. Will do, babe. Let's see here. I thought I just used. Yeah, I thought I just made a user, but it was Josh. I just made Josh. Yeah, access that because I just made that one. Hang on, let me go back up here to. Hang on a second. Oh crap! I'm stuck in history. Yeah. Okay. Sterling Archer. That's a title. Let's see here. Where was it at? I just made it. Here we go. Yeah. All right. Sterling Archer. I made the username Josh Capital. Maybe. Let me try that out. Maybe I screwed that up. Maybe it's cap sensitive.
You're just trying Josh Test.
Yeah. I just made Josh Test, but Josh is capitalized, so maybe that has something to do with it. It worked that time. Man. Okay. It's weird. I doubt it was capitalized before, but all right. Well, that works. I can kind of move forward with it. That's interesting that I get that error. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
I think I'm good there.
Okay. Great.
That's it. I'll move on to the next one. I guess the next thing, the other question I had for you, it's really quick actually, hopefully. I hope it works out okay. Is the I'm already into the next step. Hang on. No, my internet's running slow today. But I can kind of show you. I'm actually messing around with if I want to everything I'm working on right now in the command line, and maybe you can give me a quick command line hit on what to do here. I want to be able to see what I've been making, what I've been doing, because it's kind of tedious going back to the console and back to here to see like how many users I've got, how many lists I've got. Is there a better way to use the console to really see where everything's at? You know?
So you just like want to be able to see your data in like a better perspective?
Maybe, because you know, if I go to Rails console, you know, I can go to
Rails console is one way, right? So you can do the all user account, but maybe you want like a nice readable table or something.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad.
Okay. Yeah, I've got something for you then.
Okay.
Let me see if I can dig it up for you.
Yeah, because like if I go, let's see, yeah, list.all, give me my list ID, created at, but it's not telling me who it's connected to. I'm like, wait a minute, I know I connected that list to somebody, so why wouldn't it tell me? There's no list ID there.
Okay, I've been sending this. So I'm going to send you a lightweight tool called Induction.
Okay.
You know, there are other tools as well. Induction is just lightweight. It can be buggy at times, but it'll get the job done. So I'm going to send you a zip file.
Thank you.
For you to use. Yeah, it's funny because I haven't used it in a long time myself. But so yeah, just download that.
I'll pop it in and kind of run it and see what happens. No problem. I'll take a little bit here. Oh, geez. I guess the next question is, later on the tutorial is actually assigned, like for example, this item ID here, and it looks there and it says there's no list attached to this. Assuming later on they have me attach items to the list, or should this be showing up besides Neil right now?
You're cutting out a little bit. You're asking about items and lists. What about them are you asking?
So, for example, I created these items. Here's all the items I have. Here's item number 2. Here's the title. Here's the body. It's fine. But showing it's not connected to a list.
Oh, okay.
And to be fair, maybe I screwed that up because I'm assuming that maybe – boy, it's really dragging. Maybe – oh, no. Well, here we go. Maybe I'd actually be creating that attachment.
Yeah, have you made the curl request at all?
I think I did. Maybe the only thing I might have done differently, because in the curl request, boy, internet's running slow. In the curl request, I'm assuming it automatically connect the item if I go through user, then list, and
yeah. So why don't you just go to your items controller, and then we can see if it's getting attached. Because they gave you the curl request, right? So
yeah, I know how to get to that if the thing ever opens. Yeah, I can use the curl request.
You need to attach it and create.
Yeah, I've got create right here.
Yeah, you need to attach it though in create. You're not attaching it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not telling me to do that. That's interesting.
Did they give you code for the items controller?
For the items controller and API, yes, and this is the code. They didn't say anything. That they have is here for save. That's it. And here it goes. Yes, if you go down to, let's see, this is list, but
they give you create, but they don't give you the create code. Yeah. So basically, after line 10, you just need to pull the list ID because items control. Or if you look at the routes, right, items is embedded or like nested inside of lists.
Yeah, that's correct.
So all you need to do is you need to get the list ID, and then just attach
Oh, so I just do it right here. So I could say list.
list equals list dot find, and then params colon or params bracket colon list ID.
List ID. That's what it is. Got it. Yeah, it didn't have me do that there. It didn't say anything about it, but that makes more sense to me. This feels very familiar now. And I'll do the same thing for users and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
I don't need to put user here, do I?
No.
Do I track all the way down to user, or do I worry about doing that inside lists?
Depends. Can you go back to items controller? We're actually not done with that yet. So after line 11, create a new line, do item.list equals list. Actually, I would do the following. I would do list.items.build, and then just and then in parentheses item params, and then make item equal to that. Yeah, item params. Yeah, and then make item equal to that. Yeah, and then you can take out line 10.
Oh, okay, cool. I see what you're saying. So I can get rid of line 10 completely.
Mm-hmm.
This feels very familiar now. Now I got it.
Right. So that's that. And then I guess, why don't you just, so have you downloaded Induction yet?
Yeah, I just downloaded it. It's trying to open up. Here it is.
There you go. Okay, so why don't you just right click on Induction and then show it in Finder?
Hang on, let's find it. Okay. Wonder if it automatically said. I didn't see anything about it.
It's in downloads.
But I thought I just clicked on it.
Yeah, it's still in downloads.
Induction can't be open because it's from an unidentified.
Yeah, so just right click on it in the downloads folder.
Oh, okay, got it. Well,
does that not work? Okay, then just go to the downloads folder.
Yeah, where's Induction? There it is.
Okay, right click. Actually, don't right click it yet. Can you drag that into applications?
Sure.
Before it'll actually be in your applications, which is good.
There
Good.
you go.
And then now right click on it. And then just open. There you go. And then just open, yeah. Okay, so now it's opening. And then now we're gonna do something interesting. Go to terminal.
Okay.
Can you type open dot? Okay. Go into your database folder. DB.
Josh.
I will, babe. I'm sorry. Database gonna be here, right?
Yeah. And then just get the development.sqlite file and then drag it into Induction. So drag it down and into the Induction icon and then in your starting bar.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah. Try it again, yeah.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah, it's all the way in. Yeah.
Sweet.
There you go. And then now you can click on the different tables.
Oh, that's really cool.
Well,
Oh, I like that a lot. That's really cool.
you can drag it out. You can expand it to see everything. But that's the thing you kind of want to find.
Heck yeah, this is awesome. This is quick too.
Yeah, it's really lightweight. Again, it's still buggy. I think they just continue development on it, but
Okay, but it's a great little tool for what you need, though.
it gets the job done.
Oh, awesome, Ricky. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And yeah, I'll play with this now. I'll keep moving with this, and I should be in some good shape by Friday next week.
Right. Yeah, and then as for the question about users, I think in this project, items don't belong to users, so you're fine.
Yeah, I think you're right. Good deal, man. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right, take it easy, man.
Yep. See you soon.
See you, man.